Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting so many messages from women over 40 who are struggling to find a weight loss approach that actually works for them, and I think this could be a game changer. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, which can lead to all sorts of issues, from digestive problems to joint pain, and that's where the gelatin trick comes in. It's this simple daily ritual that involves mixing gelatin with water and taking it first thing in the morning, and I've seen it make a huge difference in how women feel, from having more energy to waking up without the bloat. My friend, who's 52, started doing the gelatin trick a few months ago, and she says it's been a total lifesaver. Her skin looks clearer, her hair is healthier, and she just feels more balanced overall. The gelatin trick is all about nourishing your body from the inside out, and it's amazing how such a small change can add up to make a big difference. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for a detailed rundown of how to get started. And take a look at the pinned comment below for some tips from other women who have already given it a try. Get ready to experience the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself and start feeling like the best version of you.